Hey guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel. But if you guys are new here, then hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the outdoor plants that I have on my balcony, one of my two balconies. I did do a video on my other balcony, my front balcony, and now I'm doing a video on my back balcony. This balcony is where I keep the majority of my succulents and a lot of my houseplants that I just wanted to get humidity for the summertime. So yeah, I'm really excited to share with you guys because I will be moving soon. If you haven't watched my last houseplant tour video, then you won't know, but I did purchase a home, so I'm going to be moving shortly and it'll be so much fun to set up everything with you guys. So definitely make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave here today if you like these types of videos, because there will be plenty more. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Right, so we're gonna start over here. This is where we hang out, drink our coffee, and we do have this little shelf thing right here with a bunch of our smaller succulents. But before I get into that, I do have this really big ficus Audrey right here, and it actually, like, I wish I was joking, but it had like 0 leaves on it maybe like a month ago, and all of this is like brand new growth. It's so beautiful and literally surprises me every day. It's growing off the balcony right there. Cannot wait to have this in my new home. It's so velvety and soft. If you guys don't have a ficus Audrey, I definitely recommend it. But yeah, love that. And then right here I have a string of hearts that I just stuck on a nail right there. It's getting super long and I don't know what we're gonna do with it. We're probably gonna have to chop it at some point. I do have another string of hearts right here. This one is a lot fuller and it's also very long. We'll probably put both of them together so we could have like a really full pot after we move. Back here I have just a succulent that was struggling. I'm not even sure what it was called. And then this little cactus thing that I got from Trader Joe's a long time ago. It's doing really well. I don't know why it's leaning like this, but yeah, it's got a bunch of little babies growing in the middle. I have a string of dolphins right here that I've been propagating a ton, and it's doing really well. And then back there I have a string of turtles with not too much like coloration on it, so I'm trying to work on that. And then this is like my favorite. Let me pull this one out. This is a bear claw and it's super fuzzy and cute. If you can see in the middle there, it's growing a ton of new bear paws, so it's so cute. I love this one. I think I got it at Walmart and it was like super cheap. I can't remember. Oh, $4 I think. Yeah, $4. So cute. Then on the next shelf down, we have this rose succulent that I got from Succulent Depot. Really love that place. I have a dead succulent in there. I have a bunny tail cactus, I believe it is, and then just a funky looking cactus. I don't know what to do with this one. If you guys have any suggestions, leave it in the comments down below. And then I have some lithops right here that probably will split soon, and a string of pearls right here. This one's, I think, doing the best out of all of the string of pearls that we have. Down here we've got this succulent, which I also got from Succulent Depot, but I'm not sure the name on it, but I really love like the dark pink coloration. I'm trying to propagate it. And then we have this little succulent that I grew from a leaf that fell off. Some random succulents back there. I don't know what a lot of these succulents are called, so sorry. Right here we have our variegated string of hearts. Absolutely love this. Cannot wait for it to get bigger, and it's doing really well actually. Another type of lithops back there that is splitting, a crassula, I believe that one's called. And then this was a variegated string of pearls that's dying. Down here I have this little arrangement that I made. I need to work on it and clean it up a little bit. And this used to be like a soap box, I think, and I took it out, or like a candle, and I made it into a planter, so you could really use anything. And then empty pot, just extra soil back there. Then right here I have my avocado tree. It's pretty droopy. I just watered it a few minutes ago and it's doing really well though. It's growing new leaves in the middle there. And then over here I have a dogtail cactus propagation. I'll show you my bigger one in a minute. But yeah, I love this one. So easy to propagate, and look how they just grow a million little babies. So this one's actually up for sale on the shop. Such an easy care plant, and it will be a full pot like literally next month. It grows so fast. Over here I have a struggling elephant ear. and then some succulent propagations. And then right here I have some of my ficus elasticas. Actually, I'm going to put this one down here with it. So all my ficus elasticas. This is the ruby, this is a Taneki, and this is the burgundy. And then I have this shelf right here that I recently got. I actually love it. It's from Amazon, and it comes with these like hooks here so you could hang some plants. I don't know if this is meant for plants, but that's what I use it for. So right here we have a string of dolphins propagation and another random succulent propagation, more propagations, a struggling aloe vera. Don't know what this one's called, but it's pretty cool. Got that one from Succulent Depot as well. This is a beautiful propagation that I made. Look at the coloring on that. It's so like princessy. I have this euphorbia that I recently got. So cute. This is an echeveria that just recently finished flowering. I have this little planter that I made, and I put a bunch of props in there. They haven't necessarily like completely rooted yet, but they will soon. A little prop, not sure what that one even was. I have this rickrack cactus doing really well. A blue cactus, which I absolutely love. I'm probably going to separate that into multiple pots because it's kind of overflowing in the pot a little bit. And then my Tradescantia right here, purple one. On the next shelf I have this random succulent from Trader Joe's, I believe. I got it a while ago. Another rickrack cactus. So then I have a bunch of these type of succulents propagating. I don't even know honestly what they are, but they just keep falling off the main plant, and then I just throw them in soil and that's what happens. So as you can see, I have a bunch of them. Another one, and then a crassula back there, and another echeveria that's starting to flower. Have a dead string of pearls, and then I have this beautiful arrangement that I made, and I'll show you another arrangement that I made that's really big. And then another string of pearls here. On the next shelf, it's a lot of the same type of succulents. So like these ones, I don't know what they're called, but I have a bunch of them. These I have a million. Echeverias, and then yeah, just a bunch of that stuff. And then this one, I don't know what it's called, but it's so cute, but it's kind of hard to care for. And then some lithops. Then let me show you guys my favorite. Oh my god, so this is a little arrangement I made, and I made this a while ago. So this is kind of where all my cuttings come from. I have a ton of these, and a few others, but I threw all of these together here, and they're just growing so beautifully. I honestly can't complain. I'm probably gonna chop this soon just because it's getting too big, but I can't wait for this to be at the house. It's so healthy that it's like trying to root into the side of the pot. And then I have a struggling pothos, my giant dogtail cactus that anytime a piece falls out, I just make another pot. And then an elephant ear right here. Not doing terrible. That's pretty much it, except for this dwarf palm that we have right here. Recently repotted it into good soil, so it's starting to shoot out new growth, as you can see right here. And then I just have a little struggling caladium. I did have a bunch of vegetables growing here. They've all pretty much given their vegetables already, and so we cleaned it up, and we're not going to repot anything since we're going to be moving, so we'll just repot once we get to the new house. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and do all of the things before you leave today. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!